Yo guys, right now we're chilling at Puri Indah Mall, one of the coolest malls in West Jakarta. This place isn't just for shopping, it's also a hangout spot, a place to stroll around and just feel the city vibe. A little backstory first. Puri Indah Mall officially opened in 2007, developed by PT Pondok Indah Group, the same developer that's known for some of Jakarta's elite residential areas. From the start, this mall was designed to be comfortable for everyone, shopping, eating, or just hanging out. The building itself is pretty massive, covering around 110,000 square meters, with 4 main floors plus 1 basement parking level, so it never feels crowded even when it's busy. The basement is mainly for cars and motorcycles, which makes visiting super convenient. Once you step inside, you immediately feel the modern and spacious vibe. Polished marble floors, high ceilings, bright lighting, soft background music. It all makes the atmosphere lively but chill. You hear footsteps, people chatting, and the smells from the food court. It's like a mini city inside one building. Talking about stores, it's got everything. International brands like H&M, Uniqlo, and Zara are here, plus local favorites. Electronics, cosmetics, home goods, you name it. If you just want to grab a coffee and chill, there are plenty of cool cafes too. The food court is solid. Tons of choices, from local street food to international fast food. Seating is spacious, so even when it's packed, people can still sit comfortably. Some floors also have more upscale restaurants for people who want a proper meal. One of the iconic spots here is the atrium. Super wide and open, and it's often used for fun events like exhibitions, small markets, or live music shows. Sometimes kids' dance practices happen here, or creative workshops by local communities. So even if you're just walking around, there's always something interesting happening. Upstairs, there's a family entertainment zone. A cinema showing the latest movies, arcades, and kids' play areas, so families can have a full day out here. Kids play, parents relax, everyone's happy. Over time, the mall has also upgraded and renovated a few areas. Some sections have been expanded, tenants reorganized, and facilities like automatic parking and free Wi-Fi have been added. Even with new malls popping up around West Jakarta, Puri Indah Mall remains relevant and a top choice for visitors. Besides shopping and entertainment, the mall is also a hub for community activities. Workshops, bazaars, cultural festivals, charity events, you name it. It's not just a shopping center, it's a place to socialize, hang out, and enjoy entertainment. The crowd here is super mixed. Young people chilling in cafes and taking selfies, families strolling around, office workers popping in during lunch break. The vibe is lively but still comfortable, perfect for all ages. If you stroll around, check out the shop windows, try some food at the food court, or watch a small performance at the atrium, you're not just shopping, you're experiencing a little bit of history and modernization of the Puri Indah area. This mall is like a mini snapshot of West Jakarta's growth from 2007 until now. What's even cooler is that it regularly hosts community events and local entertainment. Bazaars, workshops, cultural festivals, charity events, they keep the mall's vibe alive, but it's never overwhelming. From a well-known developer to its massive size, full facilities, and a mix of international and local tenants, Puri Indah Mall is really a center for lifestyle, entertainment, and socializing. Everyone, from young people to parents, can find something they like here. So yeah, if you want to hang out, shop, grab some food, or just soak up the city vibe, Puri Indah Mall is the place to be. From its history, architecture, and facilities, to its active community and events, this mall really has it all. Thanks for joining me as we explore Puri Indah Mall, guys. Next time, we'll check out another cool spot in West Jakarta. Stay tuned, because this city has so many hidden stories waiting to be discovered.
tinggal yang di Blok M doang.